Welcome to Noveena the Amateur. After a long 1.5 months, I'm back. So, meanwhile, faced a lot of hazard. My parents' health, my father's health, especially my health, my office work. Life was absolutely difficult for me. But again, I'm here. और मुझे लगा एक नए ब्लॉग की स्टार्ट कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो सकती है. दैट इज आई एम हियर इन जगन्नाथ मंदिर.
Life is a beautiful road filled with hardship, celebration, success, failure, heartache, joy, and special moments. As this year 2022 shown me many such colors. So फिर से एक और शुरुआत. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ बारासात से हावड़ा स्टेशन की ओर और वहाँ से प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 23 में हावड़ा पुरी सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस में मेरा रिजर्वेशन है. One of the most famous melting point of nature, sea beaches or Baba Jagannath Dham.
Right now I am at Howrah station, so I'm just waiting for my train, now going towards a different destination. So here मेरा ट्रेन है हावड़ा पूरी एक्सप्रेस सुपरफास्ट जो प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 23D में आएगी. So whenever you are coming to Howrah, so you very well need to know that it should be in a new station or old station. It's a very vast station, Howrah station. So थोड़ा सा साउथ ड्रिवन ट्रेन जो है 21, 22, 23 ABCD से जाती है. So let's see, I'm just waiting for my train. Good morning everyone. So reached Puri और this is Howrah Puri Superfast Express. So जब आप ट्रेन से उतरते हो एक उस जगह you don't know where to move, right or left. So anyway, moving to the left side. So let's see. I'm just searching for my hotel. Let's see. This is platform number 5. The best part is Puri station. There is not any staircase, so it's good for old age people. So now I'm just searching for any auto rickshaw, whatever I'll get.
Puri, a beautiful city in the state of Odisha on the eastern coast of India. After reaching to Puri station, straight away I took a rickshaw and heading towards my hotel.
मैं यहाँ से रिक्शा की हूँ और जो मुझे अपने होटल तक पहुँचाएगा. सो वो मुझे अभी 100 रुपये ले रहा है. बोल रहा है कि बहुत दूर नहीं है, पास में है. सो आई अवॉइडेड ऑटो और आई टुक अ रिक्शा. This is my hotel Park Lagoon. आज 25th December है. It is a peak time, so without messing the room, let me just show you my room. And it costed me 2500 per day. Though all the normal rooms जो हम लोग को off season में even 3000 मिल जाता है, even 3 to 4 star hotels. But right now they are charging more than 9000. So somehow I could get something. So I'm just showing you.
Now, after reaching, whole day I was constantly working just to complete some assignment within deadlines. Oh my god, I just missed my whole day. I'm going for a darshan. Jai Baba Jagannath.
अभी मैं इस समय जगन्नाथ मंदिर जगन्नाथ धाम में जा रही हूँ। ये 4 जो सबसे बड़े धाम है उसमें से एक धाम है पूरी जगन्नाथ मंदिर। सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग इनसाइड और यहाँ पे मोबाइल बिल्कुल अलाउड नहीं है। आफ्टर दर्शन आई एम जस्ट कमिंग बैक, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू व्हाट आई हैव सीन। आज जगन्नाथपुरी का दर्शन हुआ और बहुत ही शानदार और भव्य दर्शन हुआ। दिस इज़ माई 3rd टाइम, बट whenever I come here I feel something, I don't have any that words, but something divine.
The Jagannath Temple is one of the most important Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Lord Vishnu. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards. The Puri temple is famous for its annual Rath Yatra, or you can say chariot festival, in which there are 3 principal deities are there. Lord Jaganath, Balram and Subhadra are pulled on a huge elaborated decorated temple chariot called Rath, and the worldwide it is famous for annual Rath Yatra. The temple was rebuilt by the Ganga dynasty by Anantavarman Chodaganga in the 12th century EC. Anantavarman was originally a Shaivite, and later he became a Vaishnavite sometimes after he conquered the Utkala region where the temple is located in 1112 EC.
Here in Puri, Khaja is very important delicacy. This we offer to the god, or this is my takeaway. So I took this 180 rupees per kg. ये घी से बना हुआ है, इसको गोदा कहते हैं। This is one of the very important प्रसाद, और लोग ऐसे भी लेके जाते हैं। तो this is my takeaway. Today is Christmas, so बड़ा दिन है, तो पूरी तरीके से इतना ज़्यादा भीड़ है। Normally this is the right season, but today is absolutely peak. So right now I'm just going to my hotel, and then after that I'll just take you out to the evening Swargadwar. बनारस में रिक्शा में थी और अब ये है पूरी की साइकिल। सो मैं जगन्नाथ मंदिर से मे फेयर, जिसके पास जो मेरा होटल है, होटल पार्क लगून, मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी, एंड देन आई विल जस्ट कीप माई स्टाफ एंड आई विल कम बैक। Again I am on rickshaw ride. So today is Christmas, as you know. मैं दर्शन की होटल में गई, just immediately changed my dress, and I'm just rushing to Swargadwar. There are many other beaches are also there, but मैं सोच रही जो सबसे important वाला है Swargadwar का जो लेन, so मैं वहाँ आपको लेके चल रही हूँ कि मैं देखती हूँ अभी आज क्रिसमस है, वहाँ पे कैसा लग रहा होगा। So just go with me. सुबह से अब आई हूँ और अब मुझे समुंदर की लहरें दिख रही हैं। आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग वाव। This is the long stretch of 2 to 3 kilometers. You will get more than 100 of hotels, और जो यहाँ पे right now the rates are in peak, like you know, one room is costing rupees 10,000 to 20,000 in between, so costly. So each and everyone is just like enjoying like anything with their own means. I was feeling meanwhile so hungry, so I thought what is healthy, so just had some corn, just some boiled corn. So I will just have it right now and just move towards this sea beach. हालांकि बहुत अंधेरा है तो you will not get it. But meanwhile, I'm going to show you a quick wrap up at how Christmas market is going on here and how people are enjoying. Bengali's favorite destination, like amazing. You don't have to walk here and there, you just sit here, you will get the vibe. I'm just showing you some of the street foods. There'll be fish, papdi, corn, jhalmuri, mishti. You'll get everything. Right now there's a huge load shedding probably. There are few places that are a little dim, but there is not a single kind of a thing affecting to the tourist. Oh my god, look at. Nearby Swargadwar, you will get many tour and travel companies, those who go for whole day trips like to Chilka, to Konark, to Bhubaneswar. बहुत सारे tours and travels हैं, though I have visited everything, but then too I will just do the inquiry how much they take. So I just booked one tour of Chilka. Way back when I was in college, I visited Chilka Lake. So that is, आप अगर वो गाड़ी से जाते हैं तो it will 2,500 it will take, and if you go by bus it will take 300 something. And another tour is actually Konark, Khandagiri, Udaygiri is all cave and temples. Because Monday वो close रहता है, so tomorrow is Monday. So let's see how I can manage. So just I booked one tour. Here I'm entering to a church, and today is Christmas, so this is the best occasion to be here. So just, I never thought in Puri I will be visiting one church, though the gates are closed, but I'm just showing you some of the wonderful decoration. अभी स्वर्गवास के पास एक मैंने फोटो किया और मैं अभी जा रही हूँ होटल मेफेयर. सो दिस वाज माय होल डे. सो दिस इज़ माई होटल, होटल पार्क लोग्यून. सो मैं अभी स्वर्गद्वार से होके एक टोटो लेके आ गई हूँ और हियर टुडे इज़ द डे. सो जस्ट डिड सम दर्शन और थोड़ा बहुत जो मार्केट मैंने दिखाया एक आज ही आई हूँ. एंड देन टू यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑफिशियल वर्क इज़ देयर. सो अभी रात जाके काम करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज़ अ लाइफ ऑफ अ ट्रैवलर प्लस वर्किंग एंड प्लस स्पेंडिंग सम मनी. सो हाउ यू like my vlog and the Puri Darshan. So please do tell me and how you are feeling that I'm back. So you will get a lot more stories. So till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Noveena D Amateur. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that मैं जब भी कोई नया वीडियो दूंगी तो you will get that message instantly to your YouTube bell. So till then, please take care.